Welcome to a journey through time, where we explore the rise and fall of great civilizations, and told stories from ancient empires, and the world-changing events that shaped human history, from the cradle of Mesopotamia to the marvels of ancient Egypt, from legendary wars to revolutionary ideas. This series will bring you powerful, exam-relevant facts and insights in a way that's simple, engaging, and unforgettable. Whether you're preparing for competitive exams, or simply love learning about the past, this is your one-stop guide to the wonders of world history. Let's dive in and unlock the knowledge that still shapes our world today. This is going to be a 7-part series that will cover these topics. Take a look at the topic we will be discussing in the series, and comment below if you have a suggestion for any other topic.